Now, now we will try to understand while loop with else statement. Okay, statement. So while loop with else statement. So else will be used if condition is no longer true. So else will be executed, else block will be executed, will be run if condition is no longer true. So what do you mean of this? Suppose I, initially I is equal to suppose 0, then while loop started I is greater than, less than, okay, less than 5 6. Okay, next column, next, this is the condition I have written. So else block will be run if condition is no longer true. So 0, I is 0, 0 is less than 5, condition true, so I 0 will be printed. Then I is equal to I plus 1. So next what I will try to understand, whenever I is equal to I plus 1, so I is equal to I plus 1 means I incremented. So incremented, then print I. Okay, so now what happened here, whenever I is equal to 0, 0 is less than 5, so I is equal to I plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 printed. Next, I is equal to 1, because incremented, so 1 is less than 5, means incremented, 1 plus 1, 2, and print I, 1 will be printed. So now I is equal to 2, incremented, because 2 is less than 5. So whenever I equal to 5, so 5 is less than 5, statement is wrong. So that moment loop to be terminated, while loop will be terminated, but else block, one else block will be executed. Print, you write single, keep a string, okay, while loop else block executed, else block, you write else block executed. Okay, you remove this one. So what is the meaning of this? Try to understand. Whenever I value 5, so 5 less than 5, condition not satisfied, so loop will be terminated, while loop. Then after this else block will be executed. Whatever the statement you kept under else block, that will be executed. So else block executed. Okay. So means we can keep somewhat, suppose whenever you run this one, you will get the like else block executed. So 1 2 3 4 5. Why 1 2 3 4 5? Initially your this is 0, but 0 is less than 5. So print I. We have written the I plus 1 here. So 0 is not printed because no, you incremented. This is to be kept here. Okay, now incrementation I is equal to I plus 1. I told you that if we will not write this, loop will be continuing. Then else black. Okay, under this else black, under the else black, print else black executed. So here we can keep somewhat statements. It is your up to you. 5, then y is equal 6, z is equal z is equal to x plus y. So under this all the statements z is equal to x plus y. So now else black executed comma z. So what else black executed, under this whatever the statements executed, now you will get 5 plus 6 11. That is the okay. Else black executed 11. Okay, else black executed, you keep some word separators under whatever the statements you will keep under else black, they will be executed. Understood that? So in what happened in Python, along with while loop, we can run, we can use along with while loop, we can use the break, we can use the continue statement, and then else black can also be used along with the while loop. Whenever while loop is whenever while loop is terminated, so one else black means under this else black whatever the statements you will write, they will be executed. Else black will be run if condition is no longer, whenever while loop is terminated, so means that while condition is no longer true. So whenever condition, so whenever 5 I is equal to 5 less than 5, so condition is no longer true, so loop terminated. Then next else black will be executed, black or under else black whatever the statements will be there, they will be executed. That is the scenario. Okay, so now we need to, so we will summarize here. So what is the summarization here?